Ikea! Ikea! Pretty fucking hard right now. So I've been here many times. I've worked at Ikea before. We're going up the stairs right now. Lo and behold, this is. Oh, you're gonna love it up here. You're gonna love this place. Right here. This is your oven. Don't tell Luke. You can cook stuff up here, dude. Only $2.99. Your child can cook. Let's see. This is where the guy from Cars 2 keeps his beans.
This nigga eating beans!
Yes, you can have it all. So when you have no pencils,
Summer school is important.
So what you reading there, boy?
Oh god. Don't look at me. Cars.
Can I see that front page?
Oh my god.
You got there. Content.
Oh my.
Do you watch Ep.1?
As you know, Robert right? He's actually a saint. Is that kid Mario?
This is pretty cool.
No.
Hey, can you stop filming me, sir?
Put your head in it.
Your head in the
That's how you
game.
fix all problems.
Cool kid. That was the same old man. Tokyo Drift.
He mentioned something interesting. Cypher is pursuing new research. He claims that what they're doing in Africa is the missing piece. A weapon to surpass Metal Gear.
I want to give me my last.